Hello student, this is our second lecture of optional English paper 3. In the last lecture, we seen that the syllabus of this paper, content of this paper and introduction of this paper. In the second lecture, we are starting the module 1, theories of adaptation. Theories of adaptation. What is the adaptation? Theories सिद्धांत. ॲडॅप्टेशनचा सिद्धांत आपण ह्या लेक्चरमध्ये बघणार आहोत. ॲडॅप्टेशन म्हणजे काय? ॲडॅप्टेशन जुनी एखादी गोष्ट घेऊन आपण नवीन एखादी गोष्ट बनवायची आहे. दॅट इज रिशेपिंग, रिमेकिंग. Here are given the adaptation meaning. That is, an adaptation is an adjustment, an alternation, making something suitable, a reshaping, a remaking. You can understand that very easy sentence are given here. And second, for Lara Hutchinson, it means to adjust, to alter, to make suitable. Just for your better understanding, just making new things from the raw material or the old things, making from the old thing, making a new things, that is the adaptation. Here are giving the comparison study of this raw material to making a new things, so we enjoy it as an original. Here are giving some example for your understanding. That is, My Fair Lady is an adaptation of Shaw's Pygmalion. Mrityunjay by Shivaji Sawant. Then the Marathi serial Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, that is present a all round picture of Sambhaji than the one we know from history books. So this is the meaning of adaptation. Second, adaptation varies in degrees. There are given 3 degrees here. First, an announced transposition of a particular work or work. एखाद्या विशिष्ट काम किंवा कामाबद्दलची घोषणा कशी करायची हे याच्यामध्ये आपण शिकणार आहोत. तर पहिल्या टॉपिकमध्ये हाऊ टू अनाउन्स अ पर्टिक्युलर वर्क बाय स्टेप. So these things we are learning in this first topic, that announce transposition of a particular work or works. Second topic, a presentation of a story from different perspective. Different perspective. तर एखादे कथेचं सादरीकरण आपण वेगवेगळ्या दृष्टिकोनातून बघणार आहोत. सपोज एखादं रॉ मटेरियल घेऊन नवीन कथा किंवा नवीन मूव्ही बनवली गेलेली आहे, तर ती का बनवली गेलेली आहे, कशी बनवलेली आहे, कुठून घेतलेली आहे, व्हॉट इज द इन्स्पिरेशन, फ्रॉम व्हेअर दिस स्टोरी अडॅप्ट. सो वी आर लर्निंग दॅट इज अ प्रेझेंटेशन ऑफ अ स्टोरी फ्रॉम डिफरंट पर्स्पेक्टिव्ह. इन द थर्ड, दॅट इज इट इज reinterpretation and recreation. So what is the reinterpretation? Reinterpretation, that is the explanation or the presentation just for the entertainment. So in this, adaptation is a derivation. Derivation एखादी क्रिया, एखादी साधण्याची क्रिया. तर आपल्याला इथे काय बघायचं आहे की व्हॉट इज द explanation or presentation of that raw material which is remaking and reshaping just for the entertainment for the audience. Then adaptation, a process. What is the process of adaptation? What the author or the producer or director did for that particular adaptation. So they are using their sensibility, interest and talent for making and remaking that new work. So it is their job that making a new work from the old material, that is raw material. So what is the process of adaptation? तर adaptation करण्याची प्रोसेस कशी आहे इथं आपण बघणार आहोत. तर all adaptation are not simply cutting down, means they are taking as they are. For example, as we are seeing that in Ramayana, Mahabharata, Sambhaji Maharaj, as the story are happened in the past, as they are showing to us. So it's not simply cutting down, it's present in the front of audience as the story was. Then short story have been converted into novel. Then how to short story converted into novel? Then if the author or director know the any simple one story, they are just adding more incidents in that particular story and making a new large novels from that short stories. So there are they adding their variation in that particular adaptation. There are a variety of motive of adapting something, or there are an ongoing dialogical process, means adding a new dialogue for making a new adapted series more interesting for the audience. An adapted sees and understand a certain book in a particular angle. In a particular angle means they which thing they want to present in front of the audience, they are just they this particular thing they are showing to the audience in a new way, in a new shaping way. For example, here are giving the R.K. Narayan's book, that is Guide. So same adaptation are here, that making a same movie on that book, also giving the same name Guide. You know that the actor, that is Dev Anand, which is play in that role, that is Raju, then Rosie. So these characters are playing that particular role and presented that R.K. Narayan's book's character from that movie. So we can understand that very easily. No need to read that books. You can see and you watch that particular movie. Then one can retell the story from any of the three angle. Any of the three angle, as the story is how it is good or bad, or what is the intention behind that particular story, what the audience are taking from that stories or from that incidents. So these are the some angles for that author or director, that which thing they want to show to audience they are showing. So this is the process, depend on what you are trying to state and how. The next is why adaptation. Why adaptation is really important, is really useful. So there are variety of reason of adaptation. Many of making adaptation just for making money. So here adaptations doing just for making money. For example, a very big filmmaker, they are making a film from the taking a story from the literature, from the raw material, and making their new version of that particular stories, taking a new characters, new actors, so very presented by the beautifully sentences, dialogical. So they are just remaking and shaping that old material into the new material. Obviously, uh, making a literature more popular, there is a one more point here for the adaptation. This is another purpose of adaptation. Some adapt just for personal pleasure, some adapt just for political aim. So adaptation is even a producing original piece of literature. One more point is that modes of adaptation. It is very important point in this topic, the theories of adaptation. You have to know that the three adaptation mode, that is one, telling and narrating, second, showing and performing, and the last is interacting. Here are giving in detail that what is telling, what is showing, and what is interacting. But in short, I am just explain you what is the telling or narrating. Telling सांगणे, कथा सादर करणे, as per the author's view, producer, narrator's view. For example, they are writing books as per their point of view. We are reading as they are written in that book. So here we no need to comment or replying that particular that story have to not like that, or they have to write another type of story. We are just reading that just for our entertainment. If you are getting bored, we stop to reading that books. If you are interested, we are just reading and reading just for our understanding and entertainment. So when we read a novel or story, we are with the hero. Mostly we are at the hero's side, and always we are thinking of that hero is the best, or this is the central attraction of that story. So this is the first mode of telling and narrating. And the second, that is showing and performing mode. Showing and performing mode, here we are seeing that the cinema. So in that cinema, whatever the author or producer produce in that movie, we are just seeing that particular set in the theater. Here our mind is set here that whatever they are showing, we are just watching that scenes, then songs, and the end of the movie. So of course we can enjoy a nap, but that is not why you are go to see a film or a performance. In the showing mode, a presenter of the story can affect changes as they suit his purpose. So we are just watching this movie as per the author's view. Now if we don't like the scenes or the song, we can go out of the theater, but we do not do that. We are watching still the end and enjoy the movie just for the entertainment. And the last is interacting mode. It's very interesting, easy, you can understand. So in day to day life, we are connected in this mode. For example, you can understand very easily, that is stage performance. For example, if you are a dancer, so you go on the stage and dance or performs your activity, so that you are interacting in that mode. Second is the TV show celebrities. If we are watching that their interviews, that question and answering, so they are answering. So this is the interacting mode, that they are just telling us whatever happened in their life, what is their life, and we are very interestingly listen that particular thing on the TV show. For example, very famous American opera show, and in India that Coffee with Karan. Then third is electronic medium. That electronic medium we are very in touch in today's life, that is WhatsApp and Facebook. You know that how to handle it. Facebook and WhatsApp, just we read that messages and just forward that messages. If you don't want, just you are delete that messages, you comment and reply. So you are interacting in that mode. Same like Facebook. If you want to share any moment in your life, from your life, you share that moment and you expect that some likes, comment and reply. So you are interacting in that mode. And the fourth is video game. Video game, that is in the video game, very famous in the today's generation, that is the PUBG. The anytime boys are playing that game, just they are interacting in that game, just they want to, they are the warrior and they are making such a big thing in that game. So they are interacting in that mode. So interacting mode provide us an opportunity of actually become a part of that action uploading. So these are the three mode of adaptation, that is telling, narrating, showing, performing and interacting. Just for short notes, remember that this is very important, that mode of adaptation. So which are these mode of adaptation? First, telling, narrating. Second, showing, performing, and the last is interacting mode. Then next is the adapter. Who the adapter, why the adapter, and who did the adaptation. So to adapt is a verb which means to alter, to make suitable changes and produce something new. So here the person who adapts something is an adapter, means from the raw material they are adapting something interesting and making a new one, reshaping that particular story and making a new version and making a new cinema from that raw material. Here we are seeing that the cinema, that is the Angur. Just telling you that before we starting the Shakespearean era, the comedy of error, so you must watch that Hindi movie Angur. That is we are learning in the next topic. So here look out the example, that is cooking show. In the cooking show, what we did, that we adapt the thing, adapt म्हणजे आपण त्यातनं काहीतरी घेतो. मग काय घेतो आणि काय बनवतो? फ्रॉम दॅट कुकिंग शो यू आर वॉचिंग एनी रेसिपी, you like that recipe and you just want to try this recipe in your kitchen. So if you don't have some content, so you adjust and whatever available in your house, you just that adding and making a your new one recipe. That is the adapting that recipe, and you are making a new one recipe. That is the adaptation. Same in the actor producing a character in adapter. Here are example of Nat Samrat. We are watching that Nana Patekar's Nat Samrat, but the Nat Samrat is performed by Nana Patekar, Mohan Joshi, and Sriram Rangu, by three intelligent or very famous actors. Perform this Nat Samrat by their, as per their innovation in his acting. Another example is that Bollywood songs adaptation, that is remix song, that is from the old song making the new song. And the very famous in the today's generation, that is the rap song by Badshah and Yo-Yo Honey Singh. So next example is very different, that is a painter's painting a woman in a is an adapter. So what is the painter's adaptation? That is maybe his imagination from raw material, that is how the Cinderella looks like, the fairy queen, just he imagine, or some watching any photos from the past and remaking and reshaping the new paint or new color, adding in that poster and making a new painting of that. So that is the adapter. So here actor is adapter, cookery, that master chef are adapter, actor are adapter, painter are adapter. So next example here, that Ravindranath Tagore, that you know that Ravindranath Tagore translated his Bengali verse book in the English with the same title, as you know, that Gitanjali. So here one more example here is that awards. You know that the award Oscar, Emmy and Filmfare. This is also the copy, that is the adaptation. So here are they are just adding, subtracting and changes for just totally making a new version or insertion in that film. That is an adaptation of a Shakespearean play, The Comedy of Error. So see that I am saying just said you in the last line, that is a Shakespearean play, The Comedy of Error. Here are we are learning that Shakespeare's The Comedy of Error. From that Comedy of Error, same Gulzar directed the Angur movie. So as you find the free time, so please watch that movie. It's very useful for you for the characters understanding. And the last, that the concept of adaptation is a vast and touches nearly every field of our life. That is our fashion in dress, hairstyle, speaking, eating, drinking. So all things are adaptation. So next, the pleasure appeal of adaptation. So what is the pleasure of adaptation? Why the adaptation are useful? What you are taking from that adaptation? So we are taking that what is the pleasure, feeling of happiness. Yes, just for the entertainment and happiness, adapted the things. So here we are seeing that example of animation film. You know that the Chota Bheem. So this is the inspiration from the Star War, and also the character from Mahabharata. Here showing the Chota Bheem and Mighty Raju as the very powerful and having the strength just by eating a laddus, and they just fighting and catching the attention of kids. Also from kids to aged person, they are interested to watching that Chota Bheems. So just adding the variation of raw material and making the new version. So there are next topic, that difference in similarity. There are the character are same but difference in the story. So they are repeat without copying. They are repeating but not copying. So we are very comfortable and familiar to watching that program and getting entertainment, getting enjoyment just for our happiness. So these are the things are unexpected for us, but we are watching still movies, serial, cinema just for our pleasure. Here is the last point. You have to know that some other theories of adaptation. So other theories mean which theories that adaptation has been considered by a number of theorists. So we are seeing here that theorist. Which theorist that you have to prepare their name, that is the four theorist. Number one, Andre Bazin, second Bella Ballez, second George Bluestone, and the fourth is René Clair. So first Andre and Bazin and second Bella and Ballez. They both are thinking that the adaptation means to alter, remaking and reshaping from raw material to making a new things. They both are believes that the adaptation is interrelative. Film are based on stories derived mostly from novel and plays. The novelist or the dramatist is a creator on whose creation the adaptation is based on the raw material to new one. And the George Bluestone and René Clair, they are opposite to that intention that the adaptation means to copying or to shaping or remaking. They thinking that the whatever the new things are making, they are just original material. They are not copying. They having their original things, original knowledge they want to share with audience. For example, Three Idiot, we know that movie. The story is based on 5 point someone's. There are the five character, but in the Three Idiot, their author director are taken only three characters, or just making a new original things or original story from that raw material. So he is opposite to that George Bluestone, that is this is the story is the new version, it is the new material, is an independent work of art. So the adapter is a creator and not a remaking. At same René Clair, he also thinking same that the adaptation means not a remaking or reshaping, just making a new original thing from this raw material. So an adapter who just does so keeply himself totally bound by the original is not doing proper adaptation. So in this adaptation theory, we are learning one thing is that how to adapt, why adapt, what is the process, what are the modes of this adaptation. We have to learning and reading that step by step. You are understand very well. So in the theory of adaptation, you are learning that what is the meaning of adaptation, that is alter, reshaping and remaking. Then mode of adaptation, that telling, narrating, showing and the interacting, that is the purpose of just for entertainment, happiness for the audience. So in this paper we are learning that is the literature as adaptation. So if you don't make a notebook for this special paper, so please do a notebook and write down this topic, theories of adaptation, and practice and read just for better understanding, and do study at home. So please stay home, stay safe. Thank you.